Suvarna, please come on the stage. I'm alone.
Sanju, just start. I'm coming. I'm just coming. You start.
Suvarna, I'm ready to start. But please come on the stage. What will I do? Suvarna, jaldi आ please.
कुछ भी कर संजू, ऑडियंस आ गया है, उन लोग को पका मत. जस्ट स्टार्ट यार.
अबे सुवर्ण ना चुकिया, जल्दी आना.
अरे जस्ट डू एनीथिंग, डोंट पकाओ द ऑडियंस, डू फास्ट.
ओके, चले बजाओ. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
बंद कर.
अबे क्या हुआ अभी देखो.
अबे तू कभी से इस्कॉन में है? कितने साल हो गए तेरे को? कोई कीर्तन ऐसा करता है क्या?
अभी फर्स्ट टाइम स्टेज पे किया है यार.
क्या यार तू इतना अपना इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोग्राम है और क्या स्टार्ट दिया?
देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विथ योर अटायर.
क्यों, क्या हो गया?
अभी ऊपर से तूने सूट पहना है और नीचे से धोती. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट ऑन द पाथ ऑफ परफेक्शन.
Actually, you know, Suvarna, we all are on the path of perfection. Even I am on the path of perfection, but I'm normal. And ये क्यों पहना है यार, सूट और धोती?
मैंने को बोला ना संजू, आई एम ऑन द पाथ ऑफ परफेक्शन. इधर से इधर तक परफेक्ट हो गया है, इधर से इधर होना बाकी है.
Hey, Suvarna, तेरा philosophy तेरे पास रख. Please come fast. We need to start the program.
Okay, I'll just come.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, by the time Suvarna Prabhu comes, we will start a program shortly. And the guest is going to purify himself. Oh, so
Okay, ready.
purified?
Yeah, completely. I feel like a pure devotee now.
Oh, thanks, man. Good. So can we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Hey.
क्या हुआ अभी?
क्या कर रहा है?
क्या हुआ?
Why are you talking in English?
अरे सुवर्ण, मेरा जो हिंदी का स्क्रिप्ट था ना,
हाँ.
इनिशियल स्क्रिप्ट,
हाँ.
वो खो गया है. So I need to speak in English.
Okay, I've got an idea.
Yes.
तू एक काम कर, तू इंग्लिश में बोल, मैं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करता.
Thanks, yeah.
Okay?
Friend, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Start.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
माताजीज और प्रभुजीज,
we welcome you for today's TPB Annual Awards 2012.
हम आप सभी का आज के टीनेज बॉयज वॉइस एनुअल अवार्ड्स 2012 में स्वागत करते हैं.
I am Sanjay Hinduja and he is my friend Suvarna Gaurang and he'll be your host for tonight.
मैं हूँ हिज ग्रेस सुवर्ण गौरांग प्रभु और ये है मेरा दोस्त संजू दास. और आज ये आपको पकाने का पूरा प्लान बना के आया है. ओके, आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग. स्टार्ट.
Apart from all the fun that we are going to have, we are also going to discuss some important things.
आज की शाम केवल मजाक मस्ती के लिए नहीं है. हम कुछ अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषयों पर भी चर्चा करेंगे, जैसे कि जल्दी शादी करने के तरीके.
Hey, क्या बोल रहा? अरे जल्दी शादी करने के तरीके उस स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं था.
अरे आई मीन देख संजू, क्या है, वन डे यू गॉट अप एंड यू थॉट कि तेरे को शादी करनी है एंड 6 days later you are a married man. Isn't that a miracle?
Yeah, sometimes karmas comes instantly.
आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट वे. आई मीन थिंक अबाउट इट यार. इससे ज्यादा टाइम तो कृष्णा को रुक्मिणी से शादी करने के लिए लगा रहेगा. यहाँ पे हजारों लोग हैं जो एक पैर पे खड़े रह के तपस्या कर रहे सालों साल और उनकी शादी नहीं हो रही.
Actually, yeah.
See yaar, there are people from the marriage board, there are counselors.
Yeah, man, see that.
Yeah, they can get so much of tips from you.
Yeah.
बाबा थोड़ा उनको भी ज्ञान दो.
Oh, okay, what's if you say so. Actually ना, अगर देखो शादी करने का, जल्दी शादी करने का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण तरीका है.
हाँ.
वो है टीवी ड्रामास में मेन रोल्स.
क्या?
हाँ.
टीवी ड्रामा में मेन रोल?
यस, लीड रोल्स.
व्हाट नॉनसेंस.
अरे यार मैन, देख अब मेरा भाई सनी हिंदुजा,
हाँ.
उसको ही देख ले.
हाँ.
हर ड्रामा में किधर भी गया, जो भी ड्रामा में कृष्णा का रोल, जहां पे भी गया कृष्णा का रोल, हर टाइम कृष्णा का रोल. क्या हुआ? अभी देख मस्त नागपुर में सेटल हो गया, कृष्णा कॉन्शियस लाइफ है कि नहीं?
करेक्ट है. अरे लेकिन इट कैन ऑल्सो बी अ कोइंसिडेंस ना.
काय का कोइंसिडेंस यार. सी सुंदर कन्हैया.
हाँ.
सुंदर कन्हैया ऑल्सो इज नाउ ऑल फेमस बिकॉज ऑफ टीवी ड्रामास.
हाँ.
है कि नहीं?
करेक्ट है.
हर ड्रामे में मेन रोल्स, हर ड्रामे में लीड रोल्स. क्या हुआ? कोल्हापुर से कृपा बरसी।
करेक्ट है यार, करेक्ट है।
अरे ये छोड़, अपना श्रीनिवास का एग्जाम्पल दे।
श्रीनिवास,
हाँ, उसकी तो शादी फिक्स हो गई।
हाँ।
मैं तो अपने अगले ड्रामे में भी उसको कृष्णा का रोल दिया था।
क्या बात कर रहा है? श्रीनिवास को कृष्णा का रोल? हाँ, पर अभी उसकी शादी फिक्स हो गई ना,
हाँ,
तो अभी वो कौन सा रोल करने वाला है?
अभी वो झाड़ का रोल करेगा साइड में।
सही है यार, ये थ्योरी तो एकदम परफेक्ट है। शादी करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है जल्दी शादी करने के लिए, टीवी ड्रामास में मेन रोल।
एक इम्पोर्टेंट बात और बताओ,
हाँ
अपनी अभी जो यात्रा हो गई ना,
हाँ
उसमें राधा वृंदावन चंद्र प्रभु ने
हाँ।
सनी का लीड रोल क्यों किया?
ओ नाय गड़े, लेकिन माय लॉर्ड, ये बहुत बड़ी नाइंसाफी है।
क्यों?
अरे सनी मेन रोल पे मेन रोल करता रहा और मैं साइड रोल में सड़ता रहा। अरे क्या है यार, अभी से ये मंदिर में सिर्फ एक ही ड्रामा आएगा।
क्या?
जय बलराम।
अरे तुझको जितना जय बलराम करना है कर ले।
हाँ।
हम भी शादी के पहले बहुत खुश होते थे, लीड रोल, मेन रोल, ये रोल, वो रोल। अभी सोचते हैं कि बैक स्टेज की सेवा ही अच्छी थी।
ठीक है ठीक है, तू तेरा ज्ञान बाद में बांट। नाउ लेट अस प्रोसीड विद द प्रोग्राम फॉर व्हिच ऑल ऑफ us have come here.
Yeah, of course.
Dear devotees, we are very happy to have all of you over here, and we would like to start this program by presenting before you the talents of our teenage boys children, who are your children ultimately. So we will be presenting before you two talents. One is that the devotees will be doing kirtan, and secondly, while all of you all are mesmerized and engaged in this kirtan, we will be having
A beautiful ecstatic feast for the eyes. It's a talent show.
so please put your hands together for teenage boys devotees.
श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नित्यानंद Namaste Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna
A big round of applause for all the devotees.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Let's 3 times give an offering to Prabhupada, because we cannot really appreciate Prabhupada by just giving a small token of love like an award or just telling Vina Jai. But from our core of our heart, at least 3 times, we will appreciate Prabhupada, loudly telling, sorry, His Divine Grace, Abhay Chandarvind, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta, Swami Prabhupada ki!
Jai,
Srila Prabhupada ki!
Jai,
Loudly, Srila Prabhupada ki!
Jai.
Thank you so much.
So after this wonderful performance, we would like to go ahead. But before going ahead,
Yes.
Sanju, I just remembered,
Yeah.
कल तेरा इनिशिएशन का मॉक एग्जाम था ना, जो तुलसी प्रभु ने अपने काउंसिलीज के लिए ले लिया था,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that I mean you don't answer awkwardly in the real initiation exam.
अरे no man, क्या है, मेरा भी स्टैंडर्ड है यार.
I know, but it was a mock exam, correct?
अरे बहुत अच्छे एग्जाम था यार. सब क्वेश्चंस का अच्छे से आंसर्स दिया मैंने.
क्या बात कर रहा हो?
हाँ.
But I remember day before yesterday you were completely unprepared.
Hey, सुन. सिगरेट बोलू क्या?
हाँ बोलना.
Actually, you know my brother Sunny ना.
एक सेकंड, सब लोग कान बंद करो.
हाँ.
अभी बोल.
Sunny ना.
हाँ.
तुलसी प्रभु ने क्वेश्चन पेपर उसी को टाइप करने दिया था.
क्या बात कर रहा?
हाँ.
तेरी तो ऐश हो गई रे.
Yes man.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
और उसने तेरे को दे दिया?
हाँ मैंने आंसर्स भी दे दिए.
क्या बात कर रहा?
हाँ.
देख कितना अच्छा भाई है वो.
I know यार.
और तू उसके इनिशिएशन एग्जाम के टाइम पे इतना उसको सताया, इतना सताया. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर ही वाज आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प एंड यू आर कंप्लीटली ट्रबलिंग हिम.
Yeah man, I realized, but अभी पता चला हम दोनों की राम लक्ष्मण की जोड़ी है.
हाँ.
Yeah.
करेक्ट. अच्छा.
हाँ, तेरे को क्वेश्चंस चाहिए क्या?
हाँ.
I guess I have the questions. Oh, I forgot inside. मेरे बैग में ये क्वेश्चंस मैं 2 मिनट में लेके आता हूँ.
लेके आना, लेके आना.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस है वो.
इसकी वैसे भी बचपन से आदत है, बिना चिट के कभी पास नहीं हुआ. आई होप तुलसी प्रभु इज नॉट हियरिंग.
Here. No, he's not hearing. Really?
अच्छा. ओ, दिस इज अ कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन पेपर. हाँ.
Yes man.
अच्छा चल, मैं तेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, तू आंसर कर.
Yes man.
ओके. एसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद
Yes.
के गुरु का नाम क्या?
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर.
हरिवल.
Thank you.
करेक्ट.
Thank you.
ओके. भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर के फादर का नाम क्या है?
भक्ति नोट ठाकुर.
करेक्ट.
Thank you.
अच्छा, तेरा तो सब आता है यार.
Yes man. अरे मुझको तो उनके ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडफादर का नाम भी पता है.
भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर के ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर का भी नाम मालूम है?
हाँ, नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर और हरिदास ठाकुर.
क्या नॉनसेंस. अरे हाँ, किसने बोला देखो ये?
अभी सनी ने बोला ये सब ठाकुर एक ही फैमिली में आते हैं.
कुछ भी यार, क्या बोल के. ठाकुर एक टाइटल है जो उनको दिया रहता.
क्या बात कर रहा?
ऑफ कोर्स.
अभी फिर वो ठाकुर भी इधर नहीं आते क्या?
कौन सा ठाकुर?
वो शोले.
ए चुप है, तू क्या है?
क्या? ओके.
मंदिर में हम लोग सामने काउंसलर
Sorry, sorry.
क्या कर रहे हैं यार?
सनी यार खेली हो यार.
चुप बैठ. मैं तभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
ब्रह्मा के कितने सर है?
हाँ. ये जब क्वेश्चन तुलसी प्रभु ने मुझको पूछा ना, मेरा सर घूम गया यार.
क्यों?
अभी यार एक तो मैं मैथ्स में वीक हूँ, ऊपर से ब्रह्मा के कितने सर हैं. मैं तुलसी प्रभु इमीडिएटली बोला, प्रभु जी प्लीज गिव मी कैलकुलेटर.
क्या? व्हाई डू यू नीड अ कैलकुलेटर फॉर दिस?
अभी पता नहीं था कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. ठीक है, फिर भी तुलसी प्रभु ने दिया नहीं. उसके बाद मैंने बोला प्रभु जी प्लीज ऑप्शन तो दो. फिर उन्होंने बोला ठीक है, मैं ऑप्शन देता हूँ. 2, 3, 4, 5. बहुत क्लोज ऑप्शन थे यार, तो डर गया मैं. फिर मैंने बोला प्रभु जी थोड़ा लाइफ लाइन में दो ना.
तू क्या वहाँ पे कौन बनेगा करोड़पति खेलने गया था क्या?
अबे नहीं यार, ऐसे भी उन्होंने भी बोला, लेकिन ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए. हाँ, फिर मुझको याद आया. फिर मेरा दिमाग चला.
फाइनली.
यस. फिर मैंने बोला प्रभु जी ब्रह्मा के 3 सर है.
क्या नॉनसेंस है. किसने बोला देखो ब्रह्मा के 3 सर है? ब्रह्मा के 4 सर है.
अबे भागवत तो मैंने फोटो में देखा है, एक इधर और एक इधर.
अबे पीछे वाला सर कहाँ गया?
अबे फोटो में नहीं दिखता.
अरे क्या है यार तू. छोड़ तू वो सब छोड़. अच्छा ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
हाँ बोल.
कंपैरिजन बिटवीन यूनिवर्सल गवर्नमेंट एंड नेशनल गवर्नमेंट.
हाँ ये बहुत इजी था. बोल.
ओके चल, आई आस्क यू.
यस.
व्हाट अ मिनिस्टर?
इंद्रदेव.
करेक्ट.
थैंक्स.
फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर?
कुबेर देव.
करेक्ट.
थैंक्स.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर?
विष्णु.
करेक्ट.
थैंक्स. यस.
लाइट मिनिस्टर?
सॉरी.
लाइट मिनिस्टर?
सूर्यदेव.
करेक्ट.
थैंक्स.
इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर?
शिवभूषण प्रभु. क्या हुआ, करेक्ट नहीं बोला तू?
नो कमेंट्स.
क्या हुआ?
नो कमेंट्स.
ठीक है.
भगवत गीता का सार क्या है? व्हाट इज द एसेंस ऑफ भगवत गीता?
अबे ये क्वेश्चन इतना इजी था ना, जब प्रभु जी ने पूछा ना, मैंने तो श्लोक ही बोल दिया।
क्या बात कर रहा?
बोलोगे?
बोलो।
सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य
हाँ।
मामेकं शरणं व्रज
वाह।
अहम त्वं सर्व पापेभ्यो
हाँ।
मोक्षामि मा शुचो।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। प्रभु जी तो खुश होकर रहेंगे ना?
हाँ यार, एक्चुअली खुश होने मांगते थे, लेकिन थोड़ी देर के बाद उन्होंने मेरे को श्लोक का मीनिंग भी पूछा।
और तूने क्या बोला?
मैंने सुना था एक लेक्चर में, मैंने बोला उनको कि श्लोक का मीनिंग ऐसा है, कृष्ण भगवत गीता में बोलते हैं कि जो कुछ भी खाओ उसे मुझे अर्पण करके खाओ, वरना सब पाप है, इसलिए जी भर के भोग लगाओ और जी भर के खाओ।
अबे क्या नॉनसेंस है, एक श्लोक ले रहा, एक मीनिंग ले रहा और अर्थ तीसरा निकाल रहा तू। क्या है ये? ठीक है, प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस।
हाँ हाँ।
2 क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1,
यस।
क्या आपके घर पे टीवी है?
हाँ, हमारे घर पे टीवी नहीं है, हमारे घर पे खाली एलसीडी है। I was truthful to my counselor यार।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 2,
यस।
क्या आप रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाके खाना खाते हैं?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने बोल दिया तुलसी प्रभु को, हम रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाके बिल्कुल खाना नहीं खाते। सुवर्ण हम खाली पार्सल घर पे लेके आते हैं।
ये सब सुन के तुलसी प्रभु क्या बोले?
क्या बोलेंगे यार, बहुत हम्बल है वो। उन्होंने खाली मेरे ऊपर फूलों की वर्षा कर दी, एक के बाद एक फूल फेंकते गए फेंकते गए फेंकते गए।
फूल फेंके?
हाँ, फूल फेंके, लेकिन गमले के साथ यार।
तेरी दुख भरी कहानी चलती रहेगी। नाउ डियर डिवोटीज, let us proceed towards the first award presentation of tonight. We would like to call upon His Grace Shamru Prabhu and Mataji to present our first award, which is Nitya Bhakta Award. Prabhuji and Mataji, please come upon stage.
Nitya Bhakta Award is given to a devotee who is a regular attendant, whose attendance is high in TVV, in Teenage Voice.
While Shamru Prabhu and Mataji are coming upon stage, we would also request Gaur Mandal Prabhu and Shamlata Mataji to please be ready for the next set of awards. As we already told you, Nitya Bhakta Award is for those devotees whose attendance is very good in Teenage Voice devotees.
Please take the mic. Oh. Can you get the mic, please?
So Nitya Bhakta Award goes to Soham Mutpe Prabhu from Katraj and also Manas.
Manas Prabhu, please come on the stage.
From here.
Prabhu, you can come from here. Yeah.
Soham Bhosle Prabhu and Manas Prabhu, please come on stage and please receive the award. Soham Bhosle first.
Haribol. We have also our Cartridge Center, which has been looked after by Sarvatma Prabhu. Sarvatma Prabhu is actually a one-man army out there.
So now we would like to proceed to the second set of awards, for which we would request His Grace Gaur Mandal Prabhu and Her Grace Shamlata Mataji to please grace the dais.
This award is called
This is for those devotees who attend morning program regularly. And to present this award, may we please call upon stage Jai Narasimha Prabhu and Yashoda Rani Mataji.
Sure, this award is Brahma Muhurta Award, morning program award.
Yeah,
मुझको 7 जन्म लेने पड़ेंगे अवार्ड लेने के लिए यार.
I know that.
मंगल आरती.
This is the award that both I and Sanju always aspire for, but we've been failing throughout. The Brahma Muhurat Award.
Hare Krishna. The Brahma Muhurta Award goes to Abhijit Kurne and Ronak Oswal.
Haribol! Abhijit Gurjai Prabhu
Please
and
come on
Ronak
stage.
Oswal Prabhu, please come upon stage. We have Abhijit Gurjai over here. Please put a great round of applause for him.
And he's Ronak Oswal.
Hare Bol, Hare Bol. Hare Bol.
Thank you. So, finally we started with the award distribution. Sanju, how did you like it?
What?
What happened? Why are you looking so sad?
अरे यार क्या बोलूं यार, कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस की वजह से मेरे घर पे बहुत प्रॉब्लम है यार.
क्या?
हाँ यार, मेरी बीवी समझती नहीं है.
You समझते नहीं? अरे come on यार, everyone takes time to grow in Krishna consciousness. And माताजी तो इतना अच्छे से भक्ति कर रहे हैं यार. I think she is coming up really good. तूने ही जरूर कुछ गड़बड़ किया रहेगा.
अबे क्या गड़बड़ किया यार, उसने मुझसे सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछा, आजकल आप मंदिर रोज क्यों जाते हो? तो मैंने एकदम सीधा साधा सा आंसर दिया.
क्या?
मैं मंदिर इसलिए जाता हूं क्योंकि वहां मेरी श्रद्धा है. भक्ति के साथ साथ मुझे वहां अत्यंत शांति भी मिलती है. वहां दिन में पूजा और रात में आरती होती है. साधना के लिए तो मैं आजकल मरता हूं. वैसे मैं सोच रहा था कि मैं माला को भी घर पे लेके आता हूं.
क्या बोलते हो?
हमें उसके बाद उसने जो मुझको धोया क्या बोलूं यार.
इसके लिए तो आज एकदम रंग सफेदी की झनकार दिख रहा है गोलू.
क्या यार, कुछ नहीं. अच्छा छोड़ यार, ये दुखती बात तो चलती
अच्छा,
रहेगी.
चल.
We'll proceed with the awards.
Yeah, okay. So let's proceed to the next set of awards. And to present those awards, may we please request His Grace Nadia Bihari Prabhu and Her Grace Champak Lata Mataji.
Award given to a teenager who has done tremendous service in Teenage Boys Voice, and not only in Teenage Boys Voice, but even outside Teenage Boys Voice, with his own heart, with all the heart in the service he has put, and has done this seva.
So this is for those devotees who've done excellent service, who possess excellent service attitude also.
Award goes to Swapnil Alase.
Oh, Haribol. So Swapnil Prabhu, please come on stage.
Keshav Bhujbal.
Haribol!
Haribol, Keshav Bhujbal Prabhu.
Prathamesh Gupta.
Haribol!
Please come on the stage.
Ravi Iyer.
Ravi Iyer, also known as Kunju Prabhu. Mataji and Vamshi Govind Prabhu, please come on the stage.
The next set of awards is the Haridas Thakur Award, which is, as you can guess, for those devotees who chant very well. So this is one of the very important
I would like to give a brief introduction of His Grace Vishwarup Prabhu. Vishwarup Prabhu is the Deputy Director of Spiritual Care Department at Bhaktivedanta Hospital. Oh, please have a seat. I just... And yes, Prabhu. So as I said, Vishwarup Prabhu is the Deputy Director of Spiritual Care Department at Bhaktivedanta Hospital. He is also the Deputy Director of Bhaktivedanta Hospice at Vrindavan. He is the Chief Project Coordinator for Barsana Eye Clinics and Eye Camps. He got introduced to ISKCON in 1983 and first and second initiation in 1986 and 87 respectively. Currently, he is serving as a Senior Spiritual Counselor at Radha Gopinath Bhakta Samaj since 1989. He has trained hundreds of devotees and doctors in Krishna consciousness. He has extensively delivered spiritual discourses on Bhagavad Gita on various TV channels like Star TV, Astha, ETC, Colors, etc., etc., etc. So we are very lucky and very fortunate that Vishwarup Prabhu is between all of us. So please, loudly, right from the core of your heart, 3 times, welcoming him in a traditional way. Hari Bol! Hari Bol! Hari Bol!
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. I am truly tensed because of the performance of the coordinators of the function. I don't know whether I will be able to match up with them or not. They are too good and too enlivening. And this function of teenage boy's voice, I was informed by the coordinators. That is such a novel and a wonderful concept. Vedic oasis for inspiration, culture and education. Is that right? And there are so many types are there. Corporate voice and girl's voice and boy's voice and teenage boy's voice. And there are so many varieties of concepts which have come out of the brains of the wonderful devotees at ISKCON Pune. And it makes us feel truly proud that you all are part of this wonderful organization called Voice. And I am also feeling very proud and very honored to be here on the first Teenage Boys Voice Annual Awards ceremony, because I'm truly inspired, which is one of the major purposes of voice, inspiration, to see this wonderful, creative, innovative concept of bringing the young boys into Krishna consciousness. When we were young, maybe a lot of noise is there this side. Yes. Shanti. One of the words was Shanti, right? Sadhana, Shanti, Puja, Arati. So, when we were young and we were brought into Krishna consciousness, there was no training program. We were just straight pushed into water, and somehow we learned swimming. But in today's times, every step in Krishna consciousness is under a beautifully planned training program. And I would like to explain to you that if there is no training in Krishna consciousness, what actually happens to a life of a young boy. When I was introduced to Krishna consciousness when I was a medical student, I had a very close friend of mine, and we appeared together into the IIT JEE. Both of us cleared, and he went to IIT, I went to Bombay for medicine. And we were so thick friends that every evening almost we were together, taking dinner at each other's houses, having fun, watching television, watching movies and going out on seashore. And he was like always pushing me to smoke cigarettes and do some nonsense which I was not very interested into, but I was pushed into for some time. And at a particular time when I was very close to him, I was introduced to Dayaram Prabhu by him, who was the IIT student in IIT Bombay, already studying into computer science, BTech. And I was very impressed by him, and there were a few other devotees who were doing MTech and BTech there in the hostel number 8. And they would always take me and discuss with me the philosophy of quantum physics, which was very bumper for me that time. But now I understand gradually. And believe me, this friend of mine who introduced me to Dayaram Prabhu went straight on left direction. Started taking charas first, then started taking brown sugar, and he was thrown out of IIT because of repeated exam failures. Then he was on the road. Then he stole all the ornaments of his mother, silver pots of his mother. He showed a gun to his father, and he took money from him every week to smoke his brown sugar. And at the age of 35, he died. This is the true story of my life. The closest friend of mine, who actually introduced me to a devotee, because of which I could take up Krishna consciousness very seriously. In spite of my earnest efforts, he didn't take up Krishna consciousness. He did not chant Hare Krishna. And this is what happened to his life. And today, by the grace of Srila Prabhupada, by the grace of my Gurudev, I am serving in Bhaktivedanta Hospital in the holy dham of Vrindavan and Barsana. I thank Prabhupada, Gurudev and the devotees like Dayaram Prabhu so much from my heart, because they trained me in Krishna consciousness. Otherwise, today I would be also smoking somewhere on the road brown sugar intravenously, having HIV positive, spoiling my whole life, rotting in the material world, suffering like anything. This is a fact. Because I am not a great saint coming from heavenly abode. These temptations today in the world are so deep and so grave and so intense. It's very difficult for a young, teenage, delicate person to avoid it unless he is protected by the coverings of Krishna consciousness training. That is why I want to assure all the parents over here who are sitting that maybe some parents may be worrying that maybe my son will become brahmachari. I am investing so much money on him. I have dreams for him. I want him to become a CEO of some dynamic company, international, multinational company. Maybe I want him to become a rich man. or educated man, qualified person, respectable person. And here he is getting very close to brahmacharis in ISKCON Pune under guidance of Radheshyam Prabhu. Maybe he'll shave up his head, change his hairstyle and join the ashram. What about my dreams? This is one side of story. But we don't know actually what are we saving our children from when they are associating with these wonderful devotees who are running voice institution, and sometimes occasionally they meet brahmacharis, hear their classes and get inspired. The world, yesterday we were discussing in our doctors meeting that the world is sinking not year by year. The world is sinking today day by day. What is happening in the world today we cannot imagine. I don't want to discuss over here where it will spoil the whole taste of this wonderful program. But I'll tell you one small story which can be a representative story of all the other millions of stories that are happening every moment today in our life, in our neighborhood, in our building, in our society, in our area, in our community, in our friend circle, everywhere. There was one girl who was in 9th standard, stays in my colony, and she became pregnant. She was in Dalmia school. So mother is a principal of some other school. So imagine what must be her condition. She is from Brahmin family from UP. So she went to police station straight and complained that I want to find the culprits. So the girl was brought to police station. She is 2 months pregnant, missed her periods. The police in their own style interrogating the girl. And the girl somehow felt that I must do the needful. I cannot get out of it. So lo and behold, she comes back, she goes to her colony, comes back to police station with 8 boys, and she says that it could be any one of them. Such a shocking news. Mother comes to ISKCON Mira Road temple regularly to have darshans and aartis, but there is no training given at home and anywhere else. There is no voice institution, and neither the child is interested into it, and the result is that there is not one boy, there are 8 boys whom she is regularly having relationships. I don't want to go into more details of the story and neither tell you more stories or like that, but we are saving our children from such events that could happen to you and me also. Please do not think that because we have taken up Krishna consciousness as parents and we have given birth to children, our children are foolproof. No, they are fully immunized against all these vices. No, they are living in this material world which is very fast sinking into the deep hands of Maya. And also we were discussing yesterday doctors meeting how much we are protected. We don't even know so many more things that are happening in the material world. And this is what we are saved from. So I want to assure all the parents that feel yourself fortunate. I wanted to get training before I got married, but somehow there was no training available. It is the best thing for a young boy or a young girl to get training into the science of bhakti, to get training into science of controlling our senses, to get training into how to conduct ourselves in society, how to become well-behaved, well-mannered personality, how to lead our life, how to have wonderful thought process, how to have vision, how to have intellectual understanding of life before entering into a responsible life. And today it is available. No parent should hesitate to send our children to such programs. These devotees who are working hard, look at the energy that they must have put into planning this program. The script they must have thought of speaking and writing and performing. Look at the talent that being produced over here. Unless we do this, how would we know that devotees' children have so many such talents? There is a stage provided for them. So these young people who are grahasthas were putting their brains into something that they are actually making the nation. They are not making a village or a state. They are making a nation, because the nation is dependent upon all this youth. This youth is going to be tomorrow some ministers, some leaders, some institution heads, who will move the world. And if some of these youths who come here, ISKCON Pune, ISKCON Bombay, ISKCON Delhi, Vrindavan, if they are trained into the higher values of life, they will make our life in the future. Today's children, when they grow up, they get married, they have children, they neglect their parents. How many of you parents would like to be neglected by your children when you are old, when you are helpless, when you are invalid, when you are deceased, when you are bedridden, when you hold a stick and walk, you can't go to toilet, you can't see because of cataract. We would like all our children to look after us, to take care of us, not repay our growth, cultivation that we gave them, but we minimally, as a dignified person, expect that we will be taken care of. And they will not take care of us if they are not trained in Krishna consciousness. Today's trend is dump the parents in old age homes. Throw some money and get rid of them. And let them not interfere in our enjoying life. But Krishna conscious children will understand this, that we have received cultivation and they have grown us to this young, nice, wonderful qualifications. They have given us dignified life. In return, as the cow gives us milk, we will take care of the cow when the cow stops giving milk. Who will give this training? This training is only available in Krishna conscious movement. And this has been imparted to our children through this wonderful organization like Voice. And we have to be, instead of feeling fearful, we have to feel grateful that somebody is thinking about it. It is my duty to train my child. It's my duty to cultivate my child. Give him values. Give her values. But some other body of youngsters who are already sincere people, who are clean people, who are well behaved, well mannered, well cultured people are thinking about my children, our children. So only thing I feel is that we should have utter gratefulness, utter gratitude in the heart. There may be a fear in the mind that, oh, when my child will become a devotee, will he give up studies? Will he just start doing kirtan only? Will he play only mridanga all the day? Will he only go to attend Mangal Aarti and not come back home for till lunch, or even take lunch there only? Will I miss my child? Will he give me up? Will he become renounced? Many people feel like that. And it's a very valid fear. I'm not trying to say that there should not be fear like this. But I have an example of Namananda Prabhu, who is the illustrious son of Krishnanam Prabhu and Amrutnam Mataji. Now this boy, since childhood, I saw him when he was 2 months old in Pune, many years back. And he is so close to brahmacharis, he associates with them, takes prasad with them, goes to Mangal Aarti, chants his rounds. Now he is in Seattle, USA. But he always stopped his studies. He was always well behaved. He always was respectful to his parents. He studied always wonderfully. He got admission into IIT. He got always top ranks and top counts, that their numbers they have, CBIs. And today he received scholarship to do his MS and PhD together in the Seattle city of USA for 5 years, fully sponsored. And there are many more students like that, but he comes on top on my mind. So I feel that when we get wonderful Vedic training from the brains of people like Narad Muni, Vyasadeva, Shukdev Muni, and many illustrious personalities like Kunti, Pandavas, do we get to hear about drug addiction, murders? No. We get to hear about only values. So my personal feeling is, when somebody gets training like this, I think he will become more responsible. He will get attached to Krishna, no doubt about it. His mind will be occupied by thoughts of Krishna consciousness, and which will save him from the thoughts of Maya. That is why there is nothing to fear. Our children, by the grace of Prabhupada and Guru Maharaj and ISKCON Vartaman Acharyas and these wonderful devotees who are thinking so deeply about youngsters, children will become responsible. Initially, when they are getting into Krishna consciousness, they may get little bit waved into Krishna conscious activities and get completely absorbed in them. But when they will settle down, they will come to their responsible understanding. They will do all their duties. They will take care of the parent nicely. Even when they are young, not earning, they will take care of the studies nicely. They will perform well in the studies. When I was studying in 3rd MBBS, I was chanting 16 rounds. Everybody in the hostel was saying that ये तो फेल होने वाला है. रोज 2 घंटा चैंटिंग करता है. एक एक मिनट इंपॉर्टेंट है मेडिकल का पढ़ाई करने के लिए. Only 15 days are remaining for exams, 8 days are remaining for exam, last month of exam, last week of exam. और एक 2-2 घंटा चैंटिंग करते हैं. All the people who were chanting 16 rounds in my hostel, in my batch, all of them passed flying colors. All of them got admission into the MDs that they wanted to get into. The choicest MDs and MS, pediatrics, orthopedics, ophthalmology, gynecology, all these top branches, top wanted branches, all our devotees like Dwarkadish Prabhu, Giriraj Prabhu, Madhavanand Prabhu got into. And look at today, I look at the history, people were criticizing us in the hostel, and today all of them are top physicians and top surgeons in Bhaktivedanta Hospital. Very, very cultured, very well mannered, very well educated, very well efficient doctors, most wanted doctors in our area, famous doctors as compassionate doctors. Just because they took up Krishna consciousness training in ISKCON Juhu temple. So we don't know how to worry. Once we get in our hearts, to our souls, wonderful Krishna conscious training, what has to come out is only good. Because Krishna is all good. Krishna is Sachidananda. What comes from Krishna is all good. And Krishna will guide the devotee within, from within the heart, what is to be done. At times of study, these children will do studies. I have an innate conviction about this. That anybody, maybe at the rebellious teen age, comes close to Krishna, he has to be directed by Krishna from within the heart. Voice is basically made to guide the misdirected youth. Today's youth is completely misguided. You can see television, you can see what's happening in colleges, what's happening in institutions. So, voice is basically made for giving direction to misguided youth. Prabhupada said ISKCON was made to give direction to misguided civilization. And youth is the prominent part of the civilization which makes the future, that is tomorrow. Our children are in the hands of the material world today. When they are offered to Krishna, they will be saved from the material world, the wrath of the material world. It may be also feeling that when the rebellious youth will misbehave with the parents in a very insensitive, disrespectful manner, I am sure voice will guide them. There will be issues because the teenage from 13 to 19, at this age a lot of psychological transition takes place. I did postgraduate diploma in psychological counseling and I learned a lot of things about this transitional period of adolescence. The children in this age seek guidance from somebody else other than mother and father. Now all of us parents of teenage children should accept this fact that not coax our children, not to just nag them, not just force them with things, not go on instructing them the way we were instructing them under 10 years of age. Accept the fact that they need some other guidance, another shelter at this age, and these voice devotees are providing that wonderful shelter, wonderful mentorship and counseling at the time of turbulence of teenage. So even that so-called rebellious behavior at home will change in the course of time. Once we are in the hand of Radha and Krishna and the devotees of Radha and Krishna, everything in life will fall in place. So I truly, from the bottom of my heart, Want to thank the devotees who are running the voice, especially for the teenage boys and girls, and want to pray for them from within my heart intensely that Sri Krishna should empower them with wonderful new ideas to satisfy the needs, emotional, intellectual and social and spiritual needs of these teenage boys and girls, and nourish their needs and complete their lives and make it perfect. It is Sri Krishna who will guide them within. I'm sure I'll pray to Srimati Radharani also to guide them, and all the anxieties and worries that our parents of teenage boys and girls have will vanish in the course of time. That is the guarantee. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.